But my left hip is on fire. Hi, buddy. That's car 66 and 67 there. All right, everybody. Well, we're out here doing the 125. This is gonna be a fantastic day. Let's go ahead and hop to it. All right, guys, the 125 is officially started. We'll ride a little bit together. I'll try to check in with you every 30 minutes or hour or so with some progress reports. But goal again is an 8-hour number. Anything sub 9. Let's do it. What a gorgeous view, guys. How absolutely insane is this? What a place to do a big ride. Such pretty land. First hour in, it's absolutely gorgeous out here. About 15 miles ticked away. Let's go ahead and get on to the next one. That's some slightly damaged guardrail there. It's a nice little hill. In our 1-1 pretty early in the day. First decent hill climb of the day, 250 feet. Just gonna try to do right around 200 watts, 190. Don't wanna cook early. Cut to later when I'm absolutely dying and wish I wouldn't have done 200 watts here. This is where I'm just gonna hold the power regardless of the speed. 200 watts, 10 mile an hour on pretty flat terrain. Feels rough, but this is what makes it a strong finish instead of exploding at mile 70. Coming up on our first turn, tailwind section ahead. Let's go. First corner down. Oh, that tailwind feels nice. We're currently on the Navajo Reservation. Zooming. Trying to stay in that 200 watt range up this hill. Pretty much every hill on the ride. Just realizing my neck's probably gonna burn. That's car number 48. 49's coming up. Can hear them. That's just endless beauty, guys. We're 2 hours in. Look how pretty it is out here. Absolutely insane. But right now we're at 33 miles, so that's a pretty good clip for 2 hours. Let's see if we can maintain that the rest of the day. Pace is going good. 2 hours 26, 41 miles. Looking close to right at 8 hours. Let's do this. There's that mountain we're doing the circle around. We're probably going a little bit on the long way, but it's so worth it. This is corner number like 3 of 8. We start heading back towards Colorado/Cortez here. Not sure what town this is, but the support car should come up soon. 68. It's funny, it's worked out a couple times for the camera. 68 cars and almost 50 miles. That horse is coming to say hi. Hi, buddy. How are you, pretty boy? Yeah. We're at almost mile 60. About to start hitting the big climb. Let's go. 40 miles of climbing, 2,000 feet. And then all downhill from there. 4 hours, 65 miles in, we got this. Oh, horsies. Horsies are important. Well, I'd love to say I know what's causing it, but my left hip is on fire. So we're gonna give another couple miles to see how things go. I don't want to stop this ride, but I'm not gonna injure myself for it. Knowing when to stop is important. I don't want to quit, but my hip is on fire. Well guys, that's not how I wanted today to end. It was still a fantastic day. We got to get out here, have a great ride. Ended up pretty warm, but we'll take it. I should have prepared a little better. I think those last 2 weeks of being sick before the ride really got me. I missed 2 of my big 3.5 hour rides, and right around the 4-hour mark is where my hip decided it was no longer gonna function for me. So instead of feeling like I've got a hypo 3 inches into my hip bone, we're just gonna call it, be safe, live to ride another day.